Now, this is a wonderful story about the magic. We say it's a magic, but although it is not a magic, it's just a story to make people happy. Now, my story is about a boy who was left alone with his brother, and they lived in a Manyata, where the poor people of the Manyata never knew any stories about the town. They never know anything about the town, but they usually stay at the Manyata. Now, the brother was working with the armed forces, and it happened this way. The brother came to his home, and he found his younger brother who was working with the cattle. Now, when the brother came, a brother had a special torch that he was working with the torch during the night. And the brother really liked the torch. So one day, the brother went to a nearby village and he left the torch to his brother. The brother took the torch. He didn't know how to put it out. So he used the torch to look out at the animals, but he didn't know how to put it out. And the brother has gone. He has laden it and left for the boy to work with the torch. He thought the boy could know how to put the torch out. Now, the boy worked with the torch. After working with it, he wanted the torch to be out, but it was impossible. So he took to his mom and his dad. They all both didn't know how to put the torch off. So they called a nearby villager. They said, come and put it off. Also, the villager didn't know how to work with the torch. So the boy was very angry. He wanted to have a sleep, but the torch was on. And he knew that the torch will not let him have a good sleep. What happened? He just went out. He bring a very big stone, hit on the torch, breaking the torch. And the brother was very much in need of the torch. So when the brother came, was very angry about the boy. What they did, you know, they only fought. They fight together. The brother could tell the other brother that I didn't know how to put out the torch, but the other brother thought he was just joking and he wanted to break the torch because the place was very dangerous. He thought the brother just wanted to destroy the torch, and they had a fight. What happened is the brother, who is stupid, who didn't know how to put out the torch, used his spear because he was the younger brother, and the bigger brother used to hit him hard. So the younger brother thought of what he's going to do, and he took the spear and he killed his brother who was working with the armed forces. Now, after killing him, the police came. They collected the carcass. They took off with them the person who has killed the brother. He was taken to the prison. He was jailed. After being jailed, he came out of the jail. After coming out of the jail, he was not happy because he has done a mistake. Nobody liked him. Until now, he's just hanging around the town with no work. He looks like a crazy person. That is the story of the stupid person who never knew how to stop the torch. And what happened is only after not knowing how to put out the torch, is dead.